That began my journey into sports psychology and football. So I was first team coach with these teams, Brentford, Brighton, and Crystal Palace, under the leadership of Steve Coppell. And you learn a lot about teams when you're working with a Premier League side, because you're traveling with them. You're together 24/7. It's quite intense. And you've got a lot of egos in the room. You know, people that are earning upwards of 100 grand a week. And you've got to be mindful how you deal with those people, what you say, how you get them cooperating. 20 years after that match at Wembley, I'm called into West Ham, working with a manager I'd worked with some years before as a youth team coach at Charlton, Alan Kirbishley. And I began to understand that teams, successful teams, high-performing teams, have three characteristics. They think differently, they act differently, and they communicate differently. And that communication is not just between everybody, but the way they communicate with themselves, the things they say to themselves. And I'll come on to a lot of that during the course of this session. But we're going to have lots of breakouts today, and the first one is this.